Are you struggling to market your network marketing business on social media? If you said yes to this question, then today's episode is going to be extremely valuable for you because this is going to be packed with actionable insights on the 3 best social media marketing formulas that you can use to elevate your network marketing efforts. Plus, we'll share some stories that illustrate these concepts in action. So, we're the Beaches. I'm Carrie Hyam.
I'm Adrienne Lindeen.
And here at Beach Boss Influencers, we teach network marketers like you how to grow a profitable network marketing business in less time using game-changing approaches or using social media marketing, automation, and influence. So, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about this approach to a few approaches to increase your sales in network marketing. So, don't forget to share this episode and smash that subscribe button, and make sure you share your biggest takeaway of today's episode with us on social media. So, Adrienne, what's the first formula that we're going to share?
So let's talk about the power of problem, agitate, solution. And as we jump into that, we want to first understand like what that formula actually is. So the problem, you want to identify a common issue or pain point that your audience is facing. Okay. If you've heard us in some of our other episodes, we've talked about benefits driven. So like what are people's pains? What are they looking for, right? And then you want to agitate that. So you're going to amplify like the problem by highlighting the frustrations around the consequence of that problem. And then you're going to provide, the solution. So you want to present how your product or your service provides the answer to their problem. So I hope that you're kind of seeing how that, formula works, right? What's the problem? Identify the pain, agitate it. So, amplify, highlight the frustrations around that problem, and then present your product or your service as the solution to that problem. And let me give you, like an example of how you're going to apply this. So let's say you're promoting a new health supplement. Okay. The problem is struggling to lose those stubborn extra pounds. Okay. Because the problem is that they have extra weight and they want to lose it. Now, here's where you're going to agitate it. It's frustrating seeing little to no results despite your best efforts. You feel stuck and demotivated. Okay, that's agitating that problem. And then the solution would be our new supplement, or this new, one ingredient, or this new, one thing I implemented into, my everyday, whatever. It's designed to boost your metabolism and support your weight loss effectively. Okay. So can you see how those things kind of go through where that person is? And they're like, yes, I want to lose. I'm struggling to lose that extra fat. And yes, I'm feeling frustrated because I'm doing these things and I'm seeing no results, right? So yes, I feel stuck and demotivated. That's me, right? And then all of a sudden here comes your solution, and it's like on a platter, because you've identified the problem, you've agitated it, and now here comes in the solution. And so when you work in your marketing and you use this formula, or both, this formula, you are actually going to see more traction with people wanting to know more information about your product or your services that you're offering.
Yeah, absolutely. And we always tell Kat that she's like the queen of twisting the knife, because
Yeah.
if you were to like read Kat's posts or on her personal profile or wherever it may be, like she's so good at, she doesn't just go into the problem, but she twists the knife where she like talks about how that problem is affecting them. And then she twists it again where it's like, okay, and then this is the result of this. Like, it's like it compounds. She's so good at it. So the second formula that we want to dive into is grow, engage, promote. We cannot preach this formula enough. I mean, I think we talk about it probably on almost every single podcast episode because it's like the basics of influence marketing and having a sustainable business that you grow and get results from over and over and over again on social media. And so it all three of these things, they work synergistically together to grow your business. And the first thing is grow, and that's like, how are you expanding your reach and attracting new eyeballs to your offers? Where are you connecting with people? There's two really great ways that you can do that. You can use live video, like reels and those type of things to get into your audience's people, right? So that new people are seeing your content. Also, Facebook groups are an incredible way to find targeted people that want what you have to offer. The second piece of this is engage. We engage to build know, like, and trust because if people don't know you, if they don't like you, if they don't trust you, they're not going to buy from you, right? People only buy from brands and people that has some influence, right? So build relationships with your audience through interactive content, conversations, so DMs, live video, posts on your social feed, and remember you're being a human when you're doing this. It's not just a bunch of spammy promotional content. You have to have value-based content in there as well. I like to call it edutaining, where you can educate someone and entertain them kind of at the same time. Share lifestyle posts. You go to Disneyland, share your Disneyland pictures. If you go to, if your son is playing football, you're sharing, you know, what's working for him, what's not working for him. Like you're a human being building those relationships. So you're passively attracting them with your content, and then you're actively going after them in like DMs and those type of things while being a human and not a spam bot. And then the last piece is promotion. You still want to promote your business. You're just keeping some curiosity around it so that people ask you what it is that you have to offer, what it is. If you're thinking about what Adrian just talked about of the problem, agitate, solution, when you're talking about what you found, you're saying, I found this Melton muffer, this muffin melter. Tongue tied. Anyways, right? Like, I'm gonna laugh about this for a while now. But you don't share exactly what the name of that thing is that you found, right? You say, if you want this thing that I found, you have to comment below or you have to message me so that you're getting into conversations and those people don't go and buy it from somebody else. So with that,
Well, there's one more. There's one more formula to go along with it. And actually this one is super simple, but it is so effective. And this one actually, I would apply this in your video marketing. I would, specifically in your headlines, your description of your videos, because again, it's simple, but it stops the scroll and it's super effective to get more eyeballs on, your content. And so it's the how to blank without blank. Okay. And so this formula, it provides you a guide on how to achieve something desirable without a common obstacle or challenge. Or how I like to think of it is you're giving them a dream with well, let me just break this down for you. The first blank, you're going to insert a dream, and the second blank, you're going to insert a pain point, okay? So again, once you know this formula, it can be used in any niche for anything that you're going to do, okay? But so it would be how to insert dream without the pain. And I'm going to give you an example. Uh Let's go with finance. So here's an example of a headline description, okay, or for your marketing. How to achieve financial freedom without working 80 hours a week. Okay? So, how to achieve insert dream financial freedom, right? That's what people want. without, here's the pain, 80 hours a week. So if you want to go through and create yourself a list of 20 of these descriptions, topics, okay, these are topics, descriptions of your content, your videos. Um all you have to do is plug in your niche, brainstorm what are some of the dreams around all the content stuff, okay? Because you could be very general or you could go really super specific using this exact formula. Um, and it could be, like going on Carrie's, I don't even know what you even said, but I
I
know you're
don't
trying to
even
say
know what it
muffin
was.
melter. It was like muffin melter, right? So it could be like how to melt the muffin without spending 80 hours a week in the gym. How to, melt the muffin without, living on bird food and water. Okay. So you can implement this right now into your business, into your marketing, and already start to see more people viewing your stuff, more people staying on and engaging within your marketing efforts. So you want to focus on like effective time management and leveraging, right, those things with inside of your business. And so when you are putting together this formula and you're thinking about creating some of these topics and these descriptions, it's like, how can you focus on, those dreams and also the pain point at the same time so that they can be like, "Man, I'm gonna learn something on this." Right? There's so much value on here because again, you're starting with how to. That right there is going to, you know, stop their scroll and they're gonna be like, "Man, I wanna know whatever it is that you're delivering." So super powerful formula here. One of my favorites. I saw huge like traction when I started implementing this. And again, it's super simple and it can definitely get you those leads, customers, and team members all just by adding in this simple little strategy.
Yes, absolutely. So, just to kind of summarize the three that we went over in today's episode, the first one is that problem, agitate, solution. The second is grow, engage, promote. And the third is how to blank without blank. So, how to get something that you want without all the stuff that sucks, right? So, using these strategies, we guarantee that they'll enhance your network marketing efforts, especially in like your posts, on your videos, and when you're connecting with your audience. It's going to help you do it a lot more effectively. So, if you'd like to learn how to attract your perfect prospects so you can avoid spammy cold call reach outs altogether and grow your business using social media and some of these formulas that we talked about today, then click the link in the comments and grab our social recruiting secrets course. We guarantee you it's going to be dynamite for your business. And don't forget to share this episode with anyone you think may benefit from it. And don't forget to join our free online community with over 30,000 network marketers just like you to discover the secrets to growing your business using social media and automation. And you can find the link attached to this video or to this episode. Everybody have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.